Did you know that reading someone else's mail could change your entire view of the war? In 1863 Warsaw, Pavel worked as a postal courier for the Russian government. His job was simple: intercept letters from Polish families and report anything suspicious. Every day he opened envelope after envelope. He expected to find plans for rebellion. Instead, he found something else entirely. "My dear son," one mother wrote, "I pray you stay warm and safe." Another father begged his boy to come home alive. The words sounded exactly like letters from Pavel's own Russian mother. These Polish families weren't monsters plotting against Russia. They were just people who loved their children. Pavel's hands began to shake as he read each letter. The government called these Poles enemies, but their hearts broke the same way his did when thinking of loved ones in danger. One morning, Pavel held a letter that could send a young Polish soldier to his death. He looked at the official report he was supposed to write. Then he made his choice.